You have to write V like this. Today we are going to teach you the Russian language in two ways. Give me 10 to 15 minutes. I will teach you Russian language, how to write and how to read. The first way for those who know Hindi language. It's going to be one of the easiest way to learn Russian language. And the second way is for those who know only English language. I am Tinu Daya from MS Education. Today's video is going to be one of the most important video for those students who want to pursue their MBBS in Russia. Okay, so listen students, when I came first time in Russia, I learned this language in this way, and you will not found such type of ways on your Google, because this is my personal experience when I came first time, how I learned Russian language. Look like English language, but when you will pronounce, it's just like Hindi language. It's a. So it pronounce a. Your next alphabet is E. It looks like inverted N. This is your capital form and this is your small form of your alphabet. It's your E. And your next alphabet is, it looks like the previous one, inch, E. So this is the pronunciation, E. Like to, a. So now we are coming to our next alphabet, that is our U. So you have to write U like this. Yes. Look like Y. And the next is your A. Like inverted E. You don't have to pronounce just like Hindi language, but you have to do some changes also in your pronunciation. For example, here it's not A, it's E. E. Next is your O. So it matches with the English language word and you have to pronounce it O. Ko. So it's just like the English word K and you have to pronounce it Ko. Next is K. It looks like X in English language and it pronounced K. Next is your G. And this alphabet is very easy. It looks like 4 in digits. And next is your Z. It's your Z. And next is your Z. So it pronounce, it's look like this. So I'm going to tell you the difference between these two words. It's not like J, it's not J, and it's not J. So when you will pronounce these, you have to do some changes in your pronunciation. Like it sounds like Z. How? Zebra, zebra. So in that way, you have to pronounce it Z, Z. And this is Z. If this is Z, then this is ZH. Z. It's Z. It's Z. To. You know, guys, there is not a T word in Russian language. Like my name is Tinu, and teacher don't pronounce me Tinu. You know, they pronounce me Tinu. So in their language, there is only to, not T. So they pronounce me Tinu. Okay, so it's your, it looks like T and it pronounced to. And this is your new alphabet. You are going to see first time in your life. I think so. And this is your the. The next alphabet is easy but going to be difficult to learn. Why? No. It looks like English alphabet H, but you have to pronounce it no. Po. What is this? This is your po. And the next alphabet is your fo. So you have to write it like this, fo. Next is your bo. And when you will write the small form of this alphabet, you have to make it just like 6. Yes. Next is your mo. So in mo, yes, you can see it's look like M. You can see it looks like M, but when you will pronounce it's M. For example, mummy. In mummy, it's you have to write this alphabet in Russian language. The next is your yo. You have to write yo in this way, so it matches with E. Next is your R. So now you will found this is P. P alphabet of English language matches with R. So when you have to write this one, you have to pronounce it R. Now is your L. It's your L. What is the difference? When you are writing P, you have to state these two lines. But when you will write L, so the first line will make a slope. You can see here the first line is making your slope. So you have to write it like this way. Okay. So next is your wo. It matches with the English word be. So this is your s. It's your s, sh, like sh. Okay. And the next is going to be your s. So how you have to write it? You have to write it like this, like sh. S. You have to pronounce it s. Next alphabet is your ts. Ts. So you have to write it like this. Yeah, it's like this. It's your inverted R. Now is your U. This is your U. If I tell you about yo, how you have to write it? This is your yo. Yes, you have to make E and you have to put two dots.
This is the sign of softness. When this alphabet will come within the word, then you don't have to pronounce it, but you have to pronounce that word in a soft way. And if the alphabet will be like this, then you have to pronounce that word in a strong way.
So now I will give you an overview of it. Okay, if I pronounce ya, ya is your inverted R. You can see, okay, it's very easy. Okay, ko, it directly matches with your English alphabet. Okay, so you don't need to learn. If you learn k, it's k, but it's look like X. It look like H, but you have to pronounce it n. Matches with the English language B, but you have to pronounce it W. Okay, this is your English language P, but you have to pronounce it R. So how you have to pronounce it? R. So if you don't know Hindi language, then you can learn your Russian language with the help of your English language.
Alphabet A looks like A in Russian language, but when we will pronounce it, then we have to pronounce it A.
This is your capital form and this is your small form.
If we have to write B in Russian language, then we have to write it like this. And when we will pronounce it, then we have to pronounce it B. It's C. So C will be like C and we have to pronounce it S. It's your D and we have to write D like this. And when we will pronounce it, it's the. Alphabet E looks like E, but you have to pronounce it Y.
And one more word which like pronounced in the same way. Second is in your inverted E. Y. Yes. And if you want to know how you have to pronounce it, you can take example from like it okay. So now the next is your fo. So you have to write your fo just like this. Yes, it's your fo. Next is your g, and this is your h. So in Russian language there is no h. If you have to pronounce Rahul, okay, according to Russian language, they pronounce the h word just like k. So if you have to write I, it will be just like inverted n, and the second form is just like So when you will pronounce it, it's your E. And when you will pronounce it, it's your E. E. Just like you have to pronounce. If I tell you about J, then it's your, this word not pronounced just like J, but I am just writing it. The pronunciation is Z. Z. You can see Z like this in Russian language. Okay, it is your Z. You know the zebra Z, so it's the Z. And when you have to pronounce this, this is Z.
K looks like K, and you have to pronounce it K in Russian. L. You have to make first line like a slope, and then there is a straight line, and you have to pronounce it L. M is like M, and you have to pronounce it M. Alphabet N looks like H in Russian, and you have to pronounce it N. Okay. You have to write O like O, and you have to pronounce it. You have to write P like this, and you have to pronounce it P. So when you have to write R, you have to write it like P alphabet of English. But when you have to pronounce it, it's R. It's not R, but it's R in pronunciation, and it looks like P. You have to write T like T, and you have to pronounce it T. T. You have to write like Y, and you have to pronounce it U. We have to write like B, but we have to pronounce it W.
Now the next alphabet is, it's looks like X, but not it's X. It's K. Yes, you have to pronounce this K. And if I tell you about the next is I, I. So it matches with Y. I already told you about Z. So now is your Ts. So you have to write Ts like this. It's your Ts. Next is your S. It's your S. So you have to write S like this. And the next is your S. S. And you have to write it like this. S. The next is going to be your Ya. You have to write your Ya just like inverted R. Yes, you can see it's your inverted R. If you have to write Yo, then you write E, and you have to make two dots on it. Yes, and if you have to write U, then you have to write U like this. Yes, Ya, Yo, U. And you will found such type of alphabet, then you have to pronounce the word in a hard way. There is no any pronunciation of this alphabet, but you have to pronounce the word in a hard way. If you will found this in the sentence, then you have to pronounce that in a soft way. Yes.